VSK Business Consultant in Chennai extends a warm welcome to all property owners and potential buyers in the city. Recognizing the complexities of the real estate market, they offer a comprehensive suite of services designed to simplify property transactions. When a property buyer walks through the doors of VSK Business Consultant's office, they are met with a commitment to understanding their specific requirements. This initial consultation is crucial, as it lays the groundwork for a successful property search. VSK Business Consultant prioritizes a thorough analysis of the buyer's needs, encompassing budget, location preferences, property type, and desired amenities. Leveraging the extensive expertise of its founder, Vijay Mouli, who brings 41 years of experience across various business categories, including 30 years specifically in the real estate sector, VSK Business Consultant undertakes diligent property searches across the city. Their deep understanding of local market dynamics, coupled with an established network of contacts, enables them to identify properties that align with the buyer's criteria. This process involves utilizing online resources, engaging with property owners, and conducting on-site inspections to evaluate potential properties. VSK Business Consultant understands that finding the perfect property is more than just matching listings. It requires a nuanced understanding of the buyer's lifestyle and aspirations. Beyond property search, VSK Business Consultant manages all aspects of the transaction, streamlining the process for the buyer. This includes negotiating prices, drafting contracts, handling paperwork, and coordinating with sellers. Their expertise in transaction management ensures a smooth and efficient closing. Recognizing the importance of legal security, they also provide legal advice, verifying property titles, ensuring compliance with regulations, and advising on potential legal issues. A key specialization of VSK Business Consultant is real estate management. This service caters to property owners seeking to maximize their investments while minimizing the burdens of day-to-day management. From tenant relations and maintenance to financial administration, VSK Business Consultant offers comprehensive management solutions. VSK Business Consultant acts as a trusted advisor and facilitator, guiding buyers and property owners through every stage of the real estate journey. Their commitment to comprehensive care, combined with their extensive market knowledge, legal expertise, and the vast experience of Vijay Mouli, positions them as a reliable partner in the dynamic Chennai property landscape. They strive to alleviate the burdens of real estate transactions, providing a seamless and stress-free experience for their clients. For any real estate consultation, contact VSK Business Consultant at 9840-336999. Visit our website at www.vskbusinessconsultant.in for more information. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, follow our WhatsApp channel, and like us on Facebook and Instagram for the latest updates and property insights. Trust is VSK Business Consultant. We understand that navigating the Chennai real estate market requires not only expertise but also a foundation of unwavering trust. That's why we prioritize transparency, integrity, and client satisfaction in every transaction. Our team is dedicated to providing personalized service, tailored to the unique needs of each individual, whether they are buying, selling, or seeking property management solutions. We recognize that real estate decisions are significant life events, and we strive to make the process as seamless and stress-free as possible. From initial consultation to final closing, we are committed to providing clear communication, expert guidance, and unwavering support. Our deep-rooted understanding of the local market, coupled with our commitment to ethical practices, allows us to build lasting relationships with our clients. Our online presence, including our website and social media channels, serves as a valuable resource for property owners and buyers alike. We regularly share market insights, property listings, and helpful tips to empower our clients with the knowledge they need to make informed decisions. By subscribing to our YouTube channel, following our WhatsApp channel, and engaging with us on Facebook and Instagram, you can stay up to date on the latest trends and opportunities in the Chennai real estate market. We believe that building trust goes beyond transactions, it's about building relationships. We are committed to being a reliable and trusted partner for all your real estate needs in Chennai.